What is up, everyone? This is Motorals, and today I'm going to show you how to fix memory integrity turns off due to incompatible drivers. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting issues when you're trying to turn off the memory, let's go to core. It's part of the core isolation section. So in here you see core isolation, and there's memory integrity, and this keeps turning off, and it tells you like it's because you have certain incompatible drivers. Basically, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing I would highly recommend you to do is to go to your search bar and just type in check for updates or Windows updates, and make sure you have the latest updates installed, even the advanced options or the optional updates that basically pop up over here, right? So you want to basically make sure, again, all of the updates, even the optional ones, are essentially installed over here. The next thing you want to do, if it tells you what specific driver it is that's causing the issue, you could go to your device manager from your search bar and find it. Let's just say, for example, it's the display adapter that's causing it. You can find it from here and do update driver and do search automatically for the drivers, either from here or from Google, based on whatever components you have over here. Basically copy paste that into Google and write driver update to get the latest version update from there. Once you do that, restart your computer, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please subscribe, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and watch those out. Peace.